All right, guys, have you seen the last one? Here's the new one. So he's gonna bowl in both lanes. We had Jason Snead here with us today. So, Jason, what are you looking to accomplish today?
Probably most likely get a better score than I got the last frame. Probably do more adjusting. You know, get my release a little bit better than what it originally was. To get better pin action. I'm gonna definitely do my part to you know, to play the lanes as they are, and see if I can't get them to connect the way I want to. I'm gonna start with the Omni, like I said, and then if need be, I'll go into the phase 2. But I'm usually gonna stick with my Omni first, and then use my spares, if any, for my with the Maxim. So
Okay,
we'll see what happens.
All right, well, good luck, and we'll talk to you afterwards.
All right, thanks a lot.
Yep, no problem. All right, guys. Yeah, we just had Jason Snead here a little bit ago, and it just sucked. So anyway, new game. Let's see how he does here. All right, he started out with the Brooklyn. Okay. I know the fans are not too happy about a Brooklyn, but we've seen this on the PBA Tour before in championship matches. Notably, County Lanes in Middletown, Delaware. We saw it a couple times. So it does happen. Let's see if he can double up here early. Go. Just a little slow. I didn't think the ball was going to react because it didn't react like that last time. But it should be a makeable spare. I believe it's 93% on this. Makeable. Should have no problem with the 3-pin here. No problem here. All right, nice conversion there. So. All right, so let's see what he can do in that left lane now. Got a little crowd noise here in the background here. Sorry for that. All right, that ball looks pretty good. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna? Just a little light there. I mean, he could have went. The 7 could have went. I definitely would tag myself in and make that 7-pin because I'm so good at it. But it's his match, so I'm gonna let him do it. Should be easy conversion. I think it's 98% on the tour. That might be a little high. Oh, I went down to 94%. Let's see if he can shake that one off and make a better shot here. Well, it looks like it's stuck a little bit. Is it gonna go in the gutter or are we gonna have well, you got a few pins. He's got a mess here. We got, what's this? Looks like a 2, 5, 8, 10. Is that what we're looking at here, guys? I believe it's a 2, 5, 8, 10. On the tour, this has been converted 23% of the time. Oh, we got it. Okay, it went from 23% up to 23.8%. Okay. It's not often that that shot gets left to 2, 5, 8. All right, that should give him a little confidence. All right, look good off his hand. Is it gonna hold? Oh, we just left the 10-pin again, guys. Oh, it's gotta be frustrating for Snead here. Can you convert the simple 10-pin? It's been converted 96% on the tour. Oh, he got it. Okay, I thought he whiffed it. My apologies, guys. He did get it. Okay. Let's see what he can do on lane 18 here. He sets up. And there it is. Oh, he just... He left the 139. 139, fellas. I know I say fellas, I mean everybody. Sorry. Do apologize for that. Ladies as well. This is converted about 96% on the tour. Let's see if he can make this. Easy conversion. Had it all day long. All right. I'd say he's struggling over here. He just really had one bad shot. He had the, I guess he's doing pretty good over here, guys. Yeah, he had the strike, and then we had the 9 open there, and we had the 9 spare. Let's see if he can get back on the strike shots here. Oh, that looks pretty good. All right, come on. Oh, we got the 3-5. Sorry, the 3-4-5-7. Let's see if we can convert this, guys. And gals. Oh, he's just overthrown it. Wow. Well, at least he made the 7-pin. He showed me how to make it. So he's just thrown across his body right now. I don't know if it's a feel in the hand, but I always see it's something up here. We'll have to find out. He started off so good. He's throwing a lot better than the last time, but he could be a little tired. Oh, the dreaded 3, 6, 7, 10. Does Jason have enough speed? Now this is made about 15% on tour here. And what you want to do is get that 3 to take out the 7, and the ball will take out the 6 and 10. Let's see if he can get this. I don't believe he has the right angle for that, but maybe he does. I don't know. I think you should have been standing more to your left. All right. That was a big open for Snead here. He's got 2 frames left. Let's see what he can do here. Oh, he's just throwing across his body, guys. I just think he's tired, honestly. I think you're missing the head pin, so you left the 1, 3, 6, it looks like. Let's see if he'll cut. Let's see if he can get it. Let's see if he can hit on the right-hand side. I believe he'll cross the head pin and get it. Okay. Throw it right where it should be. I just believe he's tired. He does work hard. In his job, he does take shortcuts, though. I noticed that he has to go through the fields, across parking lots and stuff like that. If you looked at his car, he's got some bumper damage. So, and I don't think that's from the roadway. Man, it's not from hitting cars. So that's going through fields or whatever. Oh, he left a 7-pin. Now for righties, well, I don't think it matters, but he should be able to convert this. We saw him convert one earlier by accident. Let's see if he can convert this, guys. Looks pretty good. I don't think it's going to come back. Nope, it didn't. It just wouldn't come back. So let's go ahead and try to get an interview with him and see exactly what the hell is going on, because I'm going to be honest with you, that's a shitty display. So, all right, Snead, stand on this side this time, you know what I mean? Oh, well, no, it don't matter, whatever you want to do. To me, it seemed like you're just a little bit tired out there, so could you elaborate that on that? It looks like you were just throwing across your body a little bit, just didn't have the strength and the power.
Yeah, so I had to kind of overcompensate and try to use whatever energy I could to get it down the lane like I normally do.
Yeah.
And then also I needed to slow down a little bit, otherwise I really wouldn't have got the score that I got at this point, had I continued to throw a little faster than I was, that I did before.
I mean, you started off pretty good, and then I figured with that six split, and you got a spare there, I believe that would give you a little confident, kind of maybe settled you down a little bit there.
And it did. So that's the thing. It gave me the confidence. That's why I was able to like kind of say, all right, well, if I stand here and I approach it this way, if I can't get a strike, at least I can be able to pick up a spare if it comes to that.
Yeah.
So that's what you saw in the next couple frames. Other than that, then I started to kind of get like a little bit laggy. Because it was showing as far as my approach was. So I was kind of like trying to give it a little oomph that I normally do when I get tired. So, but I mean, I did my average. I mean, a 144 is not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, I saw a lot of, saw a lot of things out there, but
yeah.
All right, yeah, we'll see you in the next one, man. I mean, you got some tournaments coming up down the road, and I'm sure you'll do better. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and I look forward to seeing my progress and seeing any type of new approaches, because I did change my approach recently, which allowed me to actually do a little bit better than I was normally doing. I mean, obviously these games is kind of like I was already at the tail end because I had bowled previously. But
I know I'm not a really good bowler myself, but I would suggest if maybe Storm products are not working for you, maybe Hammer is a good line. If you know about Hammer, maybe they might be a good something down the road that you would like to throw.
And I've thought about that, looking into different bowls and stuff like that, because most of my arsenal is kind of like in the Storm area.
Nothing against Storm. I'm just saying they seem like they're lacking. I mean, I figured a Hammer hits hard, and that's something you need, I think, in your arsenal. I'm just like me. I don't know much about bowling. I'm just saying.
But no, I appreciate your opinion in regards to something like that, because realistically, I'm still learning a lot of stuff. So any advice is greatly appreciated.
Okay, guys, we're out of time. We don't have much time
because I feel like that, and that's what it was. Because I do what I do for because I love the sport.
So we're gonna have to cut this.
It's all about the approach. It's all how you feel.
Wide World of Sports coming up. we need to cut this.
But thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it. I look forward to doing more for you guys.
We suggest no more interviews with Mr. Snead. He takes too much time. Justin's trying to cut it.
I am talking.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching J&J Bowling. Hopefully, we'll see Snead and the future events. Depends on ratings, I guess. All right, guys. Have a good night.